y'all. Today I have a quick haul. I'm decorating and I'm cleaning up quickly. Today's cleaning video is very short because every day you're not going to be able to do a full length, in-depth clean with me video, you know? But daily, especially with your kitchen, you have to wash dishes, you have to wipe it down, you have to get the crumbs up. So join me.
And here are some things I found at Home Goods that I thought was pretty and I wanted to share with you. I picked up this adorable pink painted handled cutting board and this adorable frame and these flowers that were about $12. So all in all, I spent about $30 because the other two items were like $8 a piece. And I'm going to be redoing this hall wall here that had all this stuff on it, and I took it all off, and I'm just going to work a little magic. So I did the laundry yesterday, so before this video. So I'm just folding up my kitchen towels and things. And I did my living room the same day. So on this level, I only had the kitchen to clean up. So that's why I'm showing the kitchen. I didn't think to record me doing the living room, but I'm gonna do that another day. So I also want to say I try not to do everything in the same day when I'm doing these quick cleanups because you will exhaust yourself. And so I will just like do, you know, like the kitchen and the living room, or I may do like the living room and the laundry, or I may do the mopping and the bathrooms, etc., etc. So basically, you know, you have zones or you have tasks that you do each day, and it will help the housework go a little easier for you so you're not being overwhelmed with doing all of your chores all in the same day. Even though you may have days that you want to do a total whole house clean or a total deep clean, right? But not all the time. This video is just like quick pick-me-ups, you know, things that you do every day so that your house is not completely crazy, you know. Because I just put up the laundry from the day before, I'm not using any cloths. I'm using all paper towels throughout the whole video because I didn't feel like messing anything else up. I know, call me crazy. Someone may think it's wasteful, but it is what it is.
I won't let you go, no. Hey, gotta make you a confession. Boy, you're the most beautiful I ever seen. Like a king, baby, you're the one for me.
noticed my counter was looking a little cluttered, so I moved some stuff down, shifted some stuff over. I added this cute little rug that I got from Ross. Do you put your rug in front of your stove or in front of your sink? Anyway, here's my Ross pillows. I meant to show the other video and I didn't. And my living room is all nice and neat and clean. And I still have to paint that other wall so I can show you the rest of the room. But hey, I'll get there. Lighting at the top of my stairs sucks because it's a small chandelier. So I apologize. But basically, I did sweep and mop the stairwell and wipe everything down with my fabulous cleaner. And then I decorated the top of the stairs with this lovely mirror and two of the pieces that I showed earlier, the vase of flowers and the picture frame. And I love it.
Within, love the smell of your hair, lying here in my bed. Never gonna be alone, 'cause with you I'm finally coming home. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a trace. I love you with all of my heart. Together forever, never to part. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna